Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again we're looking at the ES futures. That is the Emini S&P 500 futures, guys, which is the derivative of the major index, the S&P 500. I appreciate everyone who's tuning into the video this morning and watching. I am a price action trader. I trade primarily around using a simple strategy of supply and demand, always looking at my higher time frame from a step down approach, looking at the higher time frame, and then I scale down, looking at my lower time frame charts. But I use supply and demand. That's how I trade, okay? I like to be in the move when the move, started happening, or whatever the case is, or the accumulation of buying and selling started. So that's what I do. If you're looking to maybe follow the same type of strategy or learn the strategy, whatever the case is, I'm not an instructor, but you can watch the videos for sure. I do answer questions. If you send a message through comment or the Discord, guys. We have a Discord community going on. Future Trading with Mike. If you just look down in the link in the description portion of the video, you will find the Discord channel for the chat room for this community here on this channel here. So please join if you don't mind. Just simply look down in the description portion of the video and you will find a link to the Discord community. So all you gotta do is click the link and join. Okay, we have a group of or a chat room of fellow like-minded traders to where we share ideas, guys. Our thoughts about the markets. It could be, the future markets. It could be the NASDAQ. Some people trade crude. A lot of people trade the ES, whatever the case is, whether it's the E-minis or the micros. It doesn't really matter, okay, guys? So if you don't mind, take the time to go ahead and click on that subscribe button. All it is that ugly-looking red button on YouTube here. No, I'm just joking. But anyways, it's that little button there on the channel here. Click subscribe, and you can join the community here on YouTube as well. And always please make sure to hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to ensure that you never miss one of the uploads here on the channel, because I pretty much post 5 days a week. And these are my live recorded sessions here that you can pretty much walk you through my trades. I show you my trades, explain my trades, and so forth, whatever the case is. So without further ado, let's see what else. So we said the Discord. Interested in any books, guys? Interested in any reading material surrounding trading, which pretty much helped me build the foundation of my own trading. There's 8 books, and yes, I handpicked 8 books down in the description portion of the video. Links to those books. All you have to do is find one that you like. It could be there's some talk about. There's some on the channel. Not channel. There's some down below. That you click on, titled that will help you understand market structure, beginners of price action, help you understand fundamentals, the technical analysis, supply and demand. It doesn't really matter, guys. There are some good books down below, and I handpicked 8 of them that I felt that were good, solid books that you'll find valuable content if you are a beginner or even professional. Doesn't matter, an experienced level trader. As traders, we're always learning and becoming better at what we do at our craft. So there's 8 good books down below. I do not stop reading, guys. I don't stop reading. I don't stop watching content packed videos that just kind of help me along in my trading, whatever the case is, because the market's always changing, and from time to time kind of tweak things out, whatever the case is. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Today is the 24th of June. Yes, it is Friday morning. I am a little late trading. The session opened up at 9:30 Eastern time, and it is now 10:36. So I can see what's been going on over the last 30 minutes is that we have been just trading around the VPOC off the daily profile, or off the daily profile. So excuse me. Off my Forex, pretty much daily profile. You can see it right here where the VPOC is. But we'll look at the higher time frame and kind of step down from there to kind of see what the market is actually doing, and see if we're tapping into any areas of key levels of supply and demand, or whatever the case is. Yes, sir. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see. All right. So if we look to see what happened into the overnight session, we broke and took out an area of resistance right here. This is this area of this high right here off of this structure, where price made a swing to the downside. So we kind of played around that, pushing up. We must have bounced off an area of support way out probably sometime last year, I believe. I'm not sure, but without going further out in my charts, guys. But we started swinging to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, finally breaking this high right here, taking out structure. So yeah, so we are breaking a major high right here, okay, off the 60 range chart. All right, so as price is moving to the upside here, making these higher highs and higher lows. Of course, we have the structure over here that we want to see price break. Take out these highs, whatever the case is. But as it was making movement to the upside, it was making higher highs and higher lows, right? So it was breaking structure, taking out areas of resistance as it was moving higher. So for instance, like right here, this is off the 60 range chart. Price pushed up, pulled back, broke higher, taking out structure right here, which is just area of resistance. So basically, all we were looking for is for price to pull back to an area of supply, say for instance, and you have some areas here where price could pull back to, and it pulls back, it tests this little area here, and then it pushes up, doesn't take out this area of resistance here, pulls back. Okay, this is a supporting swing coming out of this area right here. So price pushes up, pulls back, and then breaks. Does it break higher here? No, it doesn't. It doesn't break higher until, let's see here. Made a high here, pull back. Okay, until it got up here. So, let's see. So, what could possibly happen? We'll look at the 60 range chart now. We can kind of mark some areas. Okay, so what could possibly happen? Let me see here. Yeah, we could actually come back and probably test, maybe, possibly, this area here. Price could possibly, which is a supporting swing coming out of this larger swing to the upside. Also, price could, let's see, maybe come and test. Well, yeah, test this area right here. I would say this area here for sure. So be mindful of this area here, and possibly this area here. It could come back and test this area here, just off the 60 range chart now, guys. Okay, because as price is breaking higher, making these higher highs and higher lows, it was taking out. It took out this area of resistance right here, this high right here. Okay, this is off this swing to the downside. So right here, price pushed up, pulled back, boom, broke higher. Fine, taking out this high here. So pulls back here. This could be a supporting swing or supporting area of supply sitting in this area here. But right now, price has pushed higher. Okay, bouncing off the low from let's say 36.40 from June 16th, I'm trying to say. Sorry about that. So now we are in some areas of hitting up against some areas of resistance, guys, off this big swing to the downside right here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, and I don't really see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really see. Right now, prices. I would probably be looking for a price to get up to off the 60 range now. Actually, let's take a look here. Maybe here, if you can run up against this area right here. Right up in here, maybe look for some rejection to happen there, but we'll see. Yeah, the markets have been pushing higher to the upside, guys. So let's see. Be careful. Pushing to the upside. Making these higher highs and higher lows as it chops to the upside. So I'd be, when you see structure like this, price making higher highs and higher lows, pulling back, I would just be have a more bullish standpoint. But we got to be careful now because we are in an area where price, a few weeks ago was making lower lows and lower highs, making the swing to the downside. And there's some areas that we're moving up to that are areas of resistance where price could pause at. So let's be careful. We got to be careful in these areas. We really do. So I'm looking at the 12 range chart right now. We still haven't made a low here yet, but let's see. I mean, not a low here, but we still haven't made another swing, another high, breaking structure back to the upside. So we pushed up here, pulled back, still haven't broke up. I'm going for a short. A little tricky trade here, but I am going short. Yeah. Taking a quick stab short. Okay, on a little rejection from the tops. So price pushed up, pull it back, try to break higher, couldn't. You know, couldn't, so it broke back lower, and then it came back, rejected this area again, so I went short. But we gotta be careful here because price can push higher. So we'll see. We will see. We will see. Just quick little bounce short. That's all. All right, guys. I took a short on a rejection from the tops there. You can see the price swung up, breaking structure, making higher highs, and then it tried to come back up here, take out this high here, which was resistance, but it couldn't. It started forming kind of like a swing to the downside, breaking into structure here. So when I saw the rejection here, price forming a structure, forming a swing to the downside, pretty much pulls back to this area here, rejects it, pretty much couldn't take out, again, take out the highs here. So I scaled down. I scaled over to my 4-range chart and took a look at the 4-range. This is the same area right here where price rejected, and then when it pretty much broke structure to the downside, I noticed off the rejection, pushed down here, taking out this little swing here on a pullback, the close of 88.5 to the downside. I went short and just took it back down to I think it was 86 or 86.5, something like that, guys. I picked up 2 points off of that move right there, but price continued pushing lower. So it looks like we're coming down to test, these lows right here off this rejection from the tops right here. Price is testing this area right here. So I'll show it to you right here. It's testing this area right here. So price pushed up, broke resistance, making a high, pull back, rejected, push down, break it into this area here, the swing here on the move to the downside, pull back, reject it again. You could technically probably go short if you took out the 12-range chart. You probably wouldn't be safe to go short on that until probably, let's see. Yeah, maybe the close of this red candle right here, guys. Possibly. Let me take a look and see. Yeah, right here at 84 3/4, maybe so. So yeah. But anyways, that was a little short I took. I like I said, I was looking for I noticed a rejection on the 12 range, and then when I saw price, come up here, couldn't break higher, rejected, push lower, pull back to this zone here. I switched over to my 4-range, and that's where I started looking for price to kind of start breaking structure to the downside. And when I did that, I looked for a pullback. Okay. So right now, I'm currently up 24 ticks right now, guys. The last trade I got 8 and 8, 8 on the first contract, 8 on the second, so I picked up 16 ticks. First trade I picked up a total of, hold on 1 second. Yeah, 8 ticks, so 24 total right now, as of right now. Okay, but price is moving sideways, so be very careful here. We can push up. Let's see. Yeah, it's testing this area again. I'm long. And 84. I probably should have waited here. Now be careful here. Look at my 4-range here and see what price did. Yeah. Long. A little earlier than I should have been, so just gonna scalp this area. We're right at the VPOC, so I need to be careful here. It's not a good area to be trading. I'm looking at Yeah. 82.5. Yeah, I better be careful here. Just gonna scalp real quick. Scalp real quick, guys. There we go. All right, quick little long there. Risky at the VPOC. Okay. Yep. All right. Last trade there, picking up 8 ticks there, so I'm at 33 ticks right now. 33. No losses, no slippage, no, So, all green for today so far. Let's see. And this is the Discord, guys. If you're interested in joining, all you have to do is find the link down in the description portion of the video today. Down in the video. And, yeah, you'll see the link to the Discord and join the community. I mentioned, just a group of traders. We all discuss certain levels, what we see unfolding throughout the session. Kind of answering questions and asking questions type thing, and sharing thoughts and ideas on the markets. So, all right, so it looks like we're pushing higher. Yep. Okay. You're right. Let's see. All right, so maybe we'll kind of break out of this sideways range that we're in right now. We're moving around the VPOC, so building volume in this area. Maybe we'll move away from it. We'll see. But yeah, we do have an area of resistance above us, so this area right here. So we have to be mindful of that as well. All right. So we'll see. I'm up 33 right now. I'm not sure what time is it. It's 11:30. I may trade for another, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or so. And call it a day. Today's Friday, so call it quits for early for the weekend, I say. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. The market's just moving sideways, building volume in this area, and if you look at the 4-hour, probably still centralized around the point of control. So that's going to be it for me for today. Today's Friday, June 24th. And I'm going to wrap it up. See you guys on, next Monday morning once the session opens up. Wishing everyone a great weekend. And if you're interested in joining the Discord, guys, like I said, find the link down below in the description. And if you haven't subbed to the channel, first-time viewers, please take the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. And join the team. Join the team here at Future Trading with Mike. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.